friends, my name is Ellen. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen and the 6th episode of Ellen's ChristKwan Series 2024. It is so cold outside. I got my pajamas on. And 'tis the season for hot cocoa. I love me some hot cocoa, especially around the holiday season. So today I'm going to share with y'all a simple and easy hot cocoa recipe. The best part, only 3 ingredients. That's right, sugar, 3 ingredients. So we're going to make a truffle hot cocoa. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. And as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this. And perfect to serve all winter long. And I'll post the complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. Also check out my previous video, eggnog cake. I'll post the link to that down below in the description box. So grab your mug, your chocolate truffles, and stand by the fireplace, sugar, because we're about to make some truffle hot cocoa magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, over here I have my mug. I'm using my clear mug. You can use the mug of your choice. And we're going to fill it up with milk. You can use whole milk or 2%. Now we're going to pour it in our saucepan. And I have my fire over medium-low heat. We're just going to warm it up. You don't want it to boil. Alright, my friends, the milk is nice and warm. Now it's time to add in the star of the show, the chocolate truffles. I'm using 3 Lindor milk chocolate truffles, or you can use dark chocolate or white chocolate truffles. You can use 4 if you like. And we're going to give it a stir until the chocolate melts, about 5 minutes. Alright, my friends, the chocolate truffles has melted and I cut my fire off. Now we're going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract and stir until it's well blended. And that's it, my friends. Our hot chocolate is ready to serve. How simple and easy was that? Do y'all call it hot cocoa or hot chocolate? Let me know down below in the comment section. And it smells amazing up in this kitchen. So now I'm about to pour it into my mug. Okie dokie. Now there's a couple or more things we got to add to it. Some mini marshmallows. And half of a chocolate truffle. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Truffle hot cocoa. Doesn't that look good and decadent? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. All right, here we go. Cheers. Be careful, it's very hot. Chocolatey, comfy, definitely warms up the soul. This truffle hot chocolate is phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another sip. Oh, there's nothing like hot chocolate with marshmallows. Yum-o. Truffle hot cocoa licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more Southern magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media. Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And please send me an email. EllensHomemadeDelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I see y'all on my next video. Much love, Merry Christmas, and Happy Holidays. Stay warm. Cheers.